Hey there, welcome to the ingredient channel. Back in my younger days, I was quite a picky eater. Noodles were my sworn enemy. Funny enough, my dad was a noodle lover, embracing every noodle type and cooking style with gusto. This made meal prep a bit of a puzzle for a while, but my dad crafted a few recipes that even I couldn't resist, much to my surprise. Today, I'm sharing one of these gems, a 5-minute recipe that is simple but bursting with flavor. Gather up 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark rice vinegar, half a teaspoon oyster sauce or mushroom sauce for a vegetarian twist, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, about a third cup of scallion rinse, and a cup of boiled noodles. Mix everything together thoroughly. Then toss in a fried egg or your preferred protein and maybe some pickles. Voila, you've got yourself a wholesome, delicious meal in no time. Whether you're a noodle enthusiast or not, this recipe is a winner. Give it a try and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more. Happy cooking, and I'll catch you next time.